Hello students, this is Ankita Berde. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today we are dealing with the experiment number 6 to identify and to resolve the pharmacokinetic drug-drug interactions. If you didn't watch my previous video, then under the playlist of the practicals of community pharmacy and management, all the previous 5 videos are available. Kindly go through it. So in this section today we are going to discuss about the that is the pharmacokinetic drug interactions and the resolutions for that, and we are going to see that is the what are the questions and answers behind this. Then now see experiment number 6 is there, that is identification and resolution of pharmacokinetic drug-drug interactions. Firstly, the aim of the experiment to identify and resolve the pharmacokinetic drug-drug interaction in the prescription. Then if you had not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of upcoming videos. If you like this video, then please press the like button. Then now see firstly drug interactions. So these are the harmful or beneficial to the patient. Then these harm that can be result from either and the increase the drug effect which causes the toxicity, or it decrease the medication effect which causes the therapeutic failure. So these are the unintentional drug interactions, these are the unintentional, these are the harmful drug interactions. So that should be, as a pharmacist, you should identify these harmful and the unintentional drug interactions in the prescriptions, so that the necessary action that can be taken to resolve the problem. And here we are going to see what are the pharmacokinetic drug interactions. So first one, it's a pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic. That is dynamic, it is what drug does to the body, and pharmacokinetic means what the body does to the drug, that means the pharmacokinetic. Then here now we will see that is the theory behind this. These are the pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic mechanism. These are the drug interactions are there. So these pharmacokinetic interactions are those which affect the absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of the drug. Then see this drug, as a pharmacist should identify these drug interactions. Then now see the mechanism of pharmacokinetic drug interactions. In that, first is the altered bioavailability. So first one is what is meant by the bioavailability. Bioavailability is the rate and extent of the drug at which it reaches the systemic circulation, that means the bioavailability. So in altered bioavailability, that what happened, the amount of the drug reaching the systemic circulation, it is influenced by another drug. For example, this example is there, that is alendronate and dabigatran. These are two examples. So both are having the limited bioavailability, but the bioavailability of the drug, that is the alendronate, it is reduced when it is combined with the calcium, which results in poor absorption. But bioavailability of dabigatran, it is increased when it's combined with the verapamil, and it increases the risk of bleeding also. That is altered bioavailability. Second one, it is the altered clearance. So the metabolism and excretion of one drug may vary as a result of the another drug. Drugs with a narrow therapeutic index, like that warfarin is there, gentamicin is there, phenytoin is there. So these are the especially these are the dangerous, since a change in their concentration that trigger the side effect. So that should, for that pharmacokinetic drug interaction, so that should be clearly identified. In this mechanism we are seeing two. First one is altered bioavailability is there, and second one is altered clearance. Then after that, now see third one, it's altered metabolism is there. So in that, changes in the drug metabolism that cause it will also affect the drug clearance change, it will also affect the bioavailability. Then some, that is drugs are there, so they are work by inhibiting the enzymes, that is cytochrome P45 enzyme. So when what happen, when cytochrome P450 enzyme it is inhibited, the concentration of the some medicine it is rises because their metabolism is become slow. and that can be a result, that is the prodrugs are there, so that metabolize into the active drug, that is the altered metabolism. Then third mechanism, it's altered excretion. So what happened, that majority of the drugs are there, so they are excreted, means they are unchanged in their the active form from the body, either in the urine or through the biliary tract in the feces. Then there is effect to the renal tubular function, there are, that is renal tubular function get affected, change in the pH which is occur. Then next is altered distribution. So when the concentration of the drugs changes at the site of action, then the circulating concentration also changes. Then verapamil example is there, it inhibits the efflux transporters, that is leading to so due to that the substrate concentration, that is digoxin is there and cyclosporin is there, so that concentration of the substrate is increased in this case. Then now see, then after that next see, that is the what is the altered distribution we had seen, that is what is the role of the pharmacist in the management of such type of the drug interaction. So it is the responsibility of the pharmacist also, it is the responsibility of the prescribers also, that to patient, that to ensure that the patients are aware of the possibility of the side effects. So pharmacist should be able to recognize that is the what are the symptoms, unexpected symptoms that that patient should experience in the future due to the drug interaction, based on the knowledge. See, as a pharmacist, you are studying for the 2 years, pharmacology is there, this community pharmacy is there, then newly introduced subject, that is the pharmacotherapeutics is there. So from your knowledge of the medicine, you can identify what are the possible drug interactions are there, and the unexpected side effects of that drug interaction that will come to in the future. Then now see, he should refrain the adverse drug reaction by avoiding the medication with potential negative effects in vulnerable patient, so that pharmacists play an important role in this prevention, identification and this reporting of the drug interactions. This is the role of the pharmacist in the management of the drug interactions. Then now see what are the requirements here, that is dummy prescriptions with the pharmacokinetic drug interactions, official resource for information related to pharmacokinetic drug interaction. Then here dummy prescription, pen, paper, these are required. So now see here, in the prescription is given, and in the prescription we have to identify the drug interactions what are there. So now see, that is here prescription 1 is there, tab, cepodem and tab omez. So cepodem tab, that is it contains the drug cefodoxime, right? Omez is omeprazole. So in the above prescription, that is tab cepodem, it contains the drug cefodoxime, and the capsule omez, it contains the drug omeprazole. Then see, the level of this drug cefodoxime, it is decreased by the omeprazole. Omeprazole, it is a proton pump inhibitor. So this antacid is there, it decreases that level of the cefodoxime. cefodoxime level इथे काय होत असते तर डिक्रीज होत असते बाय दी ड्रग ओमिप्राझोल. ओमिप्राझोल हा प्रोटॉन पंप इनहिबिटर आहे. देन नाउ सी हाउ टू रिझॉल्व दिस, ह्याच्यावरती रिझॉल्युशन काय आहे. सो टू सॉल्व दी अबव प्रॉब्लेम, दॅट फार्मासिस्ट शुड कन्सल्ट विथ द फिजिशियन. Then pharmacist should ask the physician, instead of the omeprazole, if he could prescribe that another antacid. That antacid should not decrease the level of the cefodoxime. So here that resources used for this book is there, that is Essentials of Medical Pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi and the Indian Drug Index. So this is regarding the prescription 1, that is two drug interactions occur at there, that is the cefodoxime and the omeprazole, that is level of this cefodoxime is decreased here by this drug omeprazole. Then now see, after that next see prescription 2 is there. Prescription 2, now see that is 3 drugs are there, everything is there, prescriber's details, physician's details are there. Voveron, it contains the diclofenac. Rabicand, it contains the rabiprazole, it is also the proton pump inhibitor. And the tab varf is contain the warfarin. Warfarin is an anticoagulant drug. So in above prescription, that is Voveron contains the drug diclofenac, rabicine, rabeprazole, warfarin. So when Voveron, that is when diclofenac which is taken with the warfarin, that is warf 2 mg, it may cause bleeding. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, bleeding होतं. And the drug rabeprazole when given with the warfarin, it may also cause the bleeding. It also causes the bleeding. So when this Voveron, that is diclofenac, it is a NSAID, that is non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. When it is given with the warfarin, then that time it causes the bleeding. And similarly, when the rabeprazole, that is the antacid is there, when it is taken with the warfarin, that is a warfarin, it is anticoagulant, it may also causes the bleeding. त्याच्यामुळे पण काय होत असतं तर ब्लिडिंग होत असतं. Then now see what is the resolution to solve this problem. We will see. So to solve the above problem, pharmacist should consult with the physician. Then he should ask the physician to prescribe another anticoagulant with the diclofenac. And in case of the interaction of rabeprazole and warf, ask the physician to prescribe the another antacid while taking this warfarin. So in this way you can solve the problem, that is to ask the physician, that is to prescribe another anticoagulant drug with the diclofenac, or in the case of rabeprazole and warfarin, ask the physician to prescribe the another antacid while taking the warfarin. Then here resources used, these are the two books are there. Sorry, one book is there, Essentials of Medical Pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi, and another one is www.drugs.com. In that you can get the drug interaction. So Medscape is there. In that you can get the drug interaction. Then now see, prescription 3 is there, that is tab Sentosa and tab Rithmonor is there. Okay. Now see, that is the interaction. So in above prescription, this tab Sentosa is there. That Sentosa contains the drug venlafaxine, and tab Rythonome, it contains the drug this propafenone is there. Rythonome मध्ये कोणता ड्रग असतो तर प्रोपाफिनोन हा ड्रग असतो, आणि सेंटोसा मध्ये काय आहे, रिथ्रोनॉम आहे. Venlafaxine, it is metabolized by CYP2D6 at primary level, and propafenone is known substrate and inhibitor of both CYP2D6 and P glycoprotein. It causes venlafaxine induce, that is the hallucinations are there. Hallucinations, HALLUCINATION, hallucinations through the increase of venlafaxine plasma concentration. So here what happen, propafenone हे काय नॉन सबस्ट्रेट आहे अँड हा इनहिबिटर आहे दोघांचा, बोथ CYP2D6 अँड ग्लायकोप्रोटीनचा, आणि त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, दॅट इज इट कॉजेस दी venlafaxine इंड्यूस हॅल्युसिनेशन. venlafaxineमुळे त्याच्या काय होतात ते हॅल्युसिनेशन्स म्हणजे भास वगैरे होत असतात लोकांना, ते हॅल्युसिनेशन्स थ्रू दी increase of venlafaxine plasma concentration, आणि venlafaxine plasma concentration increase होत असतं. Then now see, that is the resolution. What is resolution is there. So to solve this above problem, pharmacist should consult the physician. He should ask the physician to prescribe other antiarrhythmic drug with the venlafaxine. Propafenone is an antiarrhythmic drug, and this venlafaxine is an antipsychotic, it is an antidepressant drug. This is in case this prescription 3. Then see, these references are there, book name is there, and this is website name is there, that is pubmed.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov. So these websites are there, resource used. Then now see, prescription 4 is there. So in that prescription 4, now see tab format, that is it contains the metformin, and the Sinastat is there, so it contains the drug trimethoprim. So what happened here, trimethoprim is there, so trimethoprim decreases the metabolism of antidiabetic drug. Trimethoprim हा अँटीमायक्रोबियल आहे, तो अँटीबॅक्टेरियल ड्रग आहे ट्रायमेथोप्रिन. इट इज कंबाईन विथ दी सल्फामेथॉक्झॅझोल. त्यात देन काय होतं त्याच्यामध्ये की ट्रायमेथोप्रिन आहे तो डिक्रीज करतो मेटाबॉलिझम अँटी डायबेटिक ड्रग दॅट इज मेटफॉर्मिन. मेटफॉर्मिनचं जे मेटाबॉलिझम आहे ते तो डिक्रीज करत असतो. हे झालं त्याच्यामध्ये ड्रग इंटरॅक्शन झाली. आता हे सॉल्व कसं करायचं? टू सॉल्व द अबाव प्रॉब्लेम दॅट फार्मासिस्ट शुड कन्सल्ट विथ द फिजिशियन. He should ask the physician to prescribe the another antimicrobial agent instead of the trimethoprim. Then here, that is resources used. These are the Indian drug index and essentials of medical pharmacology by K.D. Tripathi. These books are used. Then now see, that is activity 2 is there. So here in the activity 2, that is using an official resources, enlist any 5 pharmacokinetic drug interaction. So in that आता फर्स्ट वन त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, मेटोक्लोप्रामाइड प्लस ॲस्पिरिन आहे. सो what happened, metoclopramide hastens the absorption of aspirin. This drug combination, and it is the details of the pharmacokinetic interaction. So metoclopramide, it hastens the absorption of aspirin. Then second one, benzodiazepine plus cimetidine. So cimetidine retard metabolism of benzodiazepine. Then nitroglycerin plus sildenafil. So severe hypotension, myocardial infarction and death can occur. Then due to the digitalis and propranolol, it decreases the AV conduction and the positive inotropic action. And amphotericin B plus flucytosine. So flucytosine has the supraadditive action on the amphotericin B. So these are the drug combination and these are the details of the pharmacokinetic interaction. So you may note down this in your notebook. So it will be come for your major experiment also. Okay, so in this part we had seen the activity part is there. Here we will stop over here. Then in the next part we will see, that is what are the questions and answers are there in the experiment. So if you had any problem, then you can ask me. Then you can join to my Telegram group. Thank you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of upcoming videos. Then please share this video with your classmates, with your friends, because sharing is the caring.